Hello friends, myself Harish Paladia. Today's job advertisement is for those students who have joined the BTech after doing BSc. Okay, it is mainly for the lateral entry, and those who have not done BSc, they need not to see this video further. They may sign out. Okay, so advertisement number is 022020 and it is from the Government of India Enterprises Uranium Corporation of India Limited. Now the only post for which the BSc Physics and Chemistry students are eligible are the Graduate Operational Trainee Chemical. Okay, unreserved there are two posts. For SC there is one, for ST there is one. Okay, upper age limit is 30 years of age, and for ST/SC it is 35 years, and the calculation of date of age is done on the basis of this date, 30 April 2020. Okay, now the essential qualification is BSc Physics or Chemistry, 3 years course with minimum 60% marks required for the unreserved candidates and 55% marks for SC/ST. Okay, now the knowledge of computer is preferred, it is not essential qualification. Okay, rest posts are not for us, so we need not to see this. अब इसके बाद देखिए नेम ऑफ द पोस्ट. ओके, नेम ऑफ द पोस्ट इज ग्रेजुएट ऑपरेशनल ट्रेनी केमिकल and there will be 2 months training, 2 years training, and first year training they will provide the stipend of 33,994 per month, and during second year they will provide 30,890. Okay, and after absorption, that is after completion of training, the post will be the scientific assistant A/AFM chemical. In the scale of pay scale is 29,990 to 46,720. Okay, now the next important things which come is the service agreement bond. It is mentioned here service agreement bond, and you need not to worry about this because it is of just only 20 rupees. Okay, now the selection procedure, as I've already told you, the cutoff date for calculation of age is 30 April 2020. Okay, means you should not be more than 30 years of age on this date if you are an unreserved candidate. Okay, the computer examination will be a CBT, that is it will be an online test, and duration will be of 2 hours, and the syllabus will be general knowledge, reasoning, numerical ability, general English, and professional knowledge. Okay, professional knowledge means the discipline like BSc. If you are having BSc, then the question will be asked from the BSc Physics or Chemistry. Okay, now 120 objective type questions will be there. It is MCQ type, and each will carry 1 mark, and there is no penalty for wrong answer, that is there is no negative marking. Okay, now the next important thing is the component of the test. General English will be of 10 marks, general knowledge will be of 10 marks, reasoning will be of 10 marks, numerical ability will be of 10 marks, professional knowledge will be 80 marks. Okay, so the major portion will be of professional knowledge, that is from the physics or chemistry part. Okay, now the next important thing is the application fees. Application fees for general and OBC candidate is 500 rupees, whereas for SC, ST, PWD and female candidates are exempted from this application fee. Okay, I've already told this. Cutoff date for age limit is 30 April 2020, and the official website is www.uraniumcorp.in. Okay, for further details you can log into this website, and the last date for submission of application is 22 of June 2020. Okay, the examination date is not notified yet, and most probably it will be in the month of July or August. Okay, so for further, if you want to read this PDF, this advertisement of your own, then I will provide the link in the description box from where you can read it out. Okay, so that was the Uranium Corporation of India, a Government of India Enterprises advertisement number 02/2020. Thank you.